Hey guys, welcome back. As promised, here's a little update. Here's an update. I got it serviced, fixed, and everything. And today I want to talk about something, but just want to give you a quick wrist shot. And here it is on a leather band. I put my Submariner on a leather band, and I think it looks fantastic. And this one, and this is just a generic. It's a handmade, but it's nothing fancy. It's a handmade by a local guy who makes these bands, and usually I bought it just because I like the color. It's actually very nice, comfortable. It's a nice leather, and it looks great on Submariner. And for all of you who say you cannot wear a dive watch on a leather band, you cannot tell other people what not can they do with their own things, with their own watches. Hopefully that came out right, because I'm not a native speaker. For all of you who say you cannot wear it on a dive watch, look at me, I'm wearing it. So what you gonna do about it? Anyways, so today's topic of this video, I just want to give you an update. It got it full overhauled. The rotor had a little play, it was making some noises, and that's because, and today's topic is a stupid topic. Today's topic is, I saw a YouTube video, should I service my Rolex? And I think that's just because of the ratings. If you put a Rolex in the title, you will get clicks and likes and whatnot. And should you service your Rolex? Should you service your any watch? Of course you do. Owning a watch, mechanical watch, is like owning a car. You need to change the oil. If you don't change the oil, engine will blow up. It will get nasty. And this is a beautiful example of a watch from a Rolex that had a rooted rotor. I'm kidding, because of the Archie, but it created a noise, and now zero noise. I even removed the bracelet because I want to check it out, and zero noise. And if this watch was well maintained and well taken care of before me, there is some service history. Old school watchmakers leave their markings and their signature when it was serviced on inside the case back of a vintage watches, and they usually had their signature and everything. But there was some service history, but not for quite some time, and the rotor got a little bit something in there, and if it was serviced and oiled regularly, it would not happen. Anyways, I got the part sourced, replaced everything. I got actually from Switzerland, and now it's all good and ticking, and I have a bunch of leather bands too, and needles and whatnot to talk about it. So it's a common sense, guys. You should not be clicking on the video that should you service your Rolex, especially Rolex. You should service it. Service intervals are okay, but at least every 5 years, just a fresh oil, and you will keep having your watch for 100 years. I wanted to say 1,000 years, but it may happen, but 1,000 years is a long time. But these watches are made to last hundreds of years, and if you take care of them, it will serve you, and this watch worked correctly. It was accurate as a quartz watch. I hate to speak about accuracy, because when you have a watch that works as it's supposed to do, there is no point talking accuracy. And this is a chronometer certified, and it's accurate as a quartz watch. And after service, before service it was super accurate, and after service it's equally accurate, if not better. I don't time it to exact seconds, but every day I reference it against my laptop, and there's a page time I reference this, and it's the spot on, even with the seconds. So super accurate, very happy. I got the bezel issue sorted out, and everything is nice. I'm ready to go, and I'm back in love with this watch, because in the past couple of months I hated wearing it because of that awful noise the rotor was making, and I procrastinated but at the end I got the job done. And again, should you service your watch? You should. If you value horology, if you value watches, or if your watch is an iWatch, Apple Watch, then you should not service it. It's disposable piece of Chinese crap. And but if you are true into horology, you definitely should take care of the things you have. Like you have a nice Colt revolver or any handgun or anything, car, bike, you should service it. Take care of it, change the oil regularly, and you won't need spare parts and extra parts, because when you do so, that's all you need to do. So yeah, I have a bunch of bands, but this one's my favorite. So just want to give you a little update. I forgot, this watch has been sitting with me for at least 2 weeks. It got its service fairly quickly because I have a good relationship with my watchmaker, and you should all find a good watchmaker and take good care of him. So that's it for me for today, guys. Thank you for watching. EDC Gunner signing out.